Today, I'm going to teach you how to stop Amazon Prime from auto-renewing. This is helpful if you want to keep using Prime until your current subscription ends but don't want to be charged again automatically. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to manage your Prime membership. Now move your cursor over to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Accounts and Lists. Hovering over this section will reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, click on Prime Membership. This is where all your Prime subscription details and settings are stored. Although I don't currently have an active Prime membership to show you on screen, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're on the Prime membership page, look for the option labeled Manage Membership and click on it. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust your subscription settings. On the Manage Membership page, you'll see several options related to your account. Click on Update, Cancel, and more. This section gives you full control of your membership, including the ability to pause, cancel, or turn off auto-renewal. Here's where you'll make the change. You'll see two main options: End Membership or Turn off Auto-Renew. If you want to stop being charged but continue using Prime until your current billing cycle ends, choose Turn off Auto-Renew. If you'd rather cancel immediately, select End Membership. For most people, turning off Auto-Renew is the better choice, since it lets you keep your benefits until the period you've already paid for runs out. After you select your preferred option, Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision. This is just a final check to make sure you really want to stop the automatic renewal. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation or the turn off of auto-renew by clicking the confirmation button. Once that's done, your membership is now set to expire at the end of its current billing cycle rather than renewing automatically. You'll still have access to all Prime benefits until that date, but you won't be charged again unless you manually renew, and that's it. You've successfully turned off Amazon Prime auto-renewal. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.